The 12 best sorts of food varieties to eat in the first part of the day. In spite of what you may have heard, having breakfast is certainly not an absolute necessity for everybody. Indeed, skipping breakfast might be superior to eating a ton of undesirable breakfast food sources. You can find out about the most exceedingly terrible breakfast food varieties here, the 10 most noticeably terrible food varieties to eat toward the beginning of the day. Nonetheless, eating the correct food sources can give you energy and keep you from eating a lot during the remainder of the day. Here are the 12 best food varieties you can eat toward the beginning of the day. 1. Eggs. Eggs are solid and flavorful, unquestionably. Studies have shown that having eggs for breakfast builds sensations of completion, lessens calorie admission at the following feast, and assists keep with blooding sugar and insulin levels consistent. 1 trusted, 2 trusted, 3 trusted. In one examination, men ate eggs or bread for breakfast. They felt more fulfilled after eggs and devoured less calories during the remainder of the day. 3. Moreover, egg yolks contain lutein and zeaxanthin. These cell reinforcements help forestall eye issues like waterfalls and macular degeneration. 4 trusted, 5 trusted. Eggs are likewise perhaps the best wellspring of choline, which is a vital supplement for cerebrum and liver well-being. 6. It is additionally high in cholesterol, yet it doesn't bring cholesterol step up in a great many people. Indeed, eating entire eggs may diminish coronary illness hazard by changing the state of LDL, expanding HDL, and improving insulin effectability. 7. 8. What's more, 3 huge eggs give around 20 grams of great protein. Eggs are additionally exceptionally adaptable. For instance, a hard-bubbled egg makes an incredible compact breakfast that can be set up ahead of time. Main concern, eggs are wealthy in protein and numerous significant supplements. It likewise advances sensations of totality and assists you with eating less calories. 2. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is rich, flavorful, and nutritious. It's made by separating whey and different fluids from the curds, bringing about velvety yogurt that is more packed in protein. Protein has been appeared to lessen sensations of craving and have a higher thermogenic impact than fats or carbs. 9. 10. The expression thermic impact alludes to the increment in the metabolic rate that happens subsequent to eating. Yogurt and other dairy items can likewise assist with weight control, as they increment levels of chemicals that advance satiety, including PYY and GLP-1. 9. 11. Full-fat yogurt likewise contains formed linoleic corrosive CLA, which may build fat misfortune and lessen the danger of bosom malignancy. 12. 13. Specific kinds of Greek yogurt are acceptable wellsprings of probiotics, like bifidobacterium, which help your gut stay solid. To ensure yogurt contains probiotics, search for the expression contains live and dynamic societies on the name. 14. Take a stab at adding berries or cleaved organic product to Greek yogurt to build a serving of nutrients, minerals, and fiber. Outline: Greek yogurt is wealthy in protein, diminishes craving and may help weight reduction. Specific sorts additionally contain useful probiotics. 3. Espresso. Espresso is an extraordinary beverage to begin your day. It is high in caffeine, which has been appeared to improve state of mind, sharpness and mental execution. Indeed, even limited quantities of caffeine can accomplish these impacts. 15, 16, 17. An investigation of 41 examinations discovered the best portion to be 38 to 400 milligrams each day, to augment the advantages of caffeine while limiting results. 17. That is generally 0.3 to 4 cups of espresso each day, contingent upon how solid it is. 17. Caffeine has likewise been appeared to build digestion and fat consuming. In one examination, 100 milligrams of caffeine each day assisted individuals with consuming an extra 79 to 150 calories over a 24-hour time span. 18, 19. Espresso is additionally wealthy in cancer prevention agents that decrease irritation, ensure the cells covering your veins, and lessen your danger of diabetes and liver illness. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. The best method to take espresso is to have standard espresso or with modest quantities of weighty cream. Decision: having some espresso is an extraordinary method to begin your day. The caffeine in it might improve disposition, mental execution and digestion. 4. Oats. Oats is the best breakfast alternative for oat darlings. Produced using ground oats, it contains an interesting fiber called beta-glucan. This fiber contains numerous great medical advantages, including bringing down cholesterol. 25, 26. In addition, beta-glucans are tacky filaments that advance a sensation of totality. One examination tracked down that beta-glucan expanded levels of the completion chemical PYY and that higher dosages had the best impact. 27, 28, 29. Oats are additionally wealthy in cell reinforcements that shield their unsaturated fats from getting ruined. These cancer prevention agents may likewise help secure heart well-being and diminish circulatory strain. 30, 31, 32. In spite of the fact that oats don't contain gluten, they are frequently prepared in similar cereal offices as gluten. Scientists track down that most oats are really polluted with different grains, particularly grain 33. In this manner, individuals with celiac illness or a gluten affectability ought to pick oats that are insured as without gluten. 1 cup of cooked cereal contains around 6 grams of protein, which won't give the advantages of a high-protein breakfast. Oats made with oats gives torment. 6. Berries. Berries are heavenly and brimming with cancer prevention agents. Normal species incorporate blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, and blackberries. They contain less sugar than most natural products, however they are likewise high in fiber. Truth be told, the 2 berries and blackberries give 8 grams of fiber for every cup. In addition, 1 cup of berries contains just 50 to 85 calories, contingent upon the assortment. Berries additionally contain a cell reinforcement called anthocyanins, which secure your heart and may help you age better. 41, 42. Berries have been appeared to lessen markers of aggravation, forestall cholesterol oxidation in the blood and keep the cells lining veins sound. 43, 44, 45, 46. A decent method to add berries to breakfast is to have them with Greek yogurt or curds. Main concern: berries are high in fiber and low in calories. It is likewise wealthy in cancer prevention agents that may decrease the danger of sickness. 7. Nuts. Nuts are tasty, nutritious and nutritious. It's an incredible expansion to breakfast since it plumps up the body and forestalls weight acquire. 47, 48. Albeit nuts are high in calories, contemplates show that you don't assimilate the entirety of the fats in them. Truth be told, your body just retains around 129 calories from a 28-gram 1-ounce serving of almonds. 49, 50, 51. This might be valid for some different nuts too, albeit just almonds have been tried as of now. Besides, nuts have been appeared to improve coronary illness hazard factors, diminish insulin opposition and lessen aggravation. 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58. A wide range of nuts are likewise high in magnesium, potassium, and heart solid monounsaturated fats. Moreover, Brazil nuts are probably the best wellspring of selenium. Truth be told, just 2 Brazilian pills give in excess of 100% of the suggested everyday admission of selenium. 59. Nuts are likewise helpful for diabetics. In one examination, supplanting a part of carbs with 2 ounces of nuts brought down glucose and cholesterol levels. 60. Adding 2 tablespoons of slashed nuts to Greek yogurt, curds, or cereal gives crunchiness and flavor, while expanding the dietary benefit of breakfast. Primary concern: nuts are loaded with supplement thick food varieties that may help decrease coronary illness hazard and improve glucose control. 8. Green tea. Green tea is probably the best beverage on earth. It contains caffeine that improves sharpness and mindset, alongside expanding your digestion rate. 15, 18, 19. Green tea gives just 35 to 70 milligrams of caffeine for every cup, which is about a large portion of the sum found in espresso. Green tea might be particularly gainful against diabetes. An audit of 17 examinations tracked down that green tea consumers had lower glucose and insulin levels. 61. It likewise contains a cell reinforcement known as EGCG, which may ensure the cerebrum, sensory system, and heart from harm. 62, 63, 64, 65. Main concern: green tea has numerous medical advantages. It contains a cell reinforcement called EGCG, which has benefits for the mind and sensory system. 9. Protein shake. Another extraordinary method to begin your day is to have a protein shake or smoothie. A few kinds of protein powder can be utilized, including whey protein, eggs, soy, and peas. Notwithstanding, your body assimilates whey protein as fast as possible. 66. It has additionally been considered the most and gives numerous medical advantages. Also, it seems to diminish hunger more than different types of protein. 67, 68, 69. One examination looked at 4 high-protein suppers. 1 serving of whey protein diminished craving the most and prompted the least calories at the following feast. 69. Moreover, whey protein can help lower glucose levels when burned through as a feature of a feast that contains carbs. It can likewise protect bulk during weight reduction and maturing. 70, 71, 72. Regardless of what sort of protein powder is utilized, a high-protein shake can be fulfilling and filling. Add organic product, vegetables, nut margarine, or seeds to give fiber and cell reinforcements. Main concern: a protein shake is an extraordinary protein-rich breakfast choice that advances satiety and settles glucose levels. 10. Organic product. Organic product can be a scrumptious piece of a nutritious breakfast. All organic products contain nutrients, potassium, and fiber and are moderately low in calories. 1 cup of slashed natural product gives around 80 to 130 calories, contingent upon the assortment. Citrus organic products are likewise high in nutrient C. Truth be told, an enormous orange gives in excess of 100% of the suggested day-by-day admission of nutrient C. The organic product is likewise filling, because of its high fiber and water content 73. Pair the natural product with eggs, cheddar, or Greek yogurt for a fair breakfast that goes on for quite a long time. Primary concern: organic product is a decent wellspring of nutrients, potassium.